dysfunctional vet with two dogs. One is eating, one is just breathing heavy. And this IMET is on strap machine. What we have in front of us is a strap machine. You can clearly see where the cable or the strap goes in, and as you come back, it ratchets it. Right here, I want you to see this. Hope you can see that. When you press down, the cutter engages and cuts the strap. So how do we use this thing? It's actually very simple, and it's an ingenious little setup. So let's set this thing up and show you how it works. We have a strap that goes under the material, and these clips right here go on the top. The material comes out, rabbit comes out of the hole, around the tree, and back into the hole. And that's the first one that's set up. The second one, you make yourself a loop. Hope you can see that. You make a loop. The loop comes out, and then this fits under that, and you pull the slack. Okay, so it comes out, it goes around this, it goes back in and then back under. The same thing over here. It comes out, it goes around this top post, back in, and you see this right here? It's the same on this other side over here. The strap that came out and went around this comes under that. We now move this to the side right here. The strap that's going to hold the box goes under the cutter. Now, when it's in a cutting position, this foot that holds it opens up. So we want to stick that in there like so, and then we want to move it back as far as we can. So that this is close to an edge, because it's gonna move forward. Trust me on that, it will. This piece now comes into here and fits into this. It goes through this slotted section, comes into here, and when we start to tighten it, let's see if you can see that. The strap comes into this slot and into this, and as you pull it, it pulls the slack out of this. What you don't want to do is you don't want to over crush the box. Let's see if you can see this. See, it's beginning to crush the box here, and it's beginning to crush the box there. So when we have it about to that point right there, we press down, and we slide this out. We pull this off of here, and your box is now strapped securely. There are metal straps. I don't have one of those to show you, but we're going to do one more of these just to show you how it's done. So the strap comes up, it goes out of the hole, and back in, and now you pull the slack out. you pull what you can anyway. It just saves a lot of effort. Move this over to the corner. Squeeze the handle. This opens the friction foot up. The strap goes under the cutter and under the friction foot. Then the line you're going to pull, this is the one that went out of the hole around the root and then back under. Same path it took, goes into the cutter and then into the ratchet. And as you can see, it's pulling it tight. It's beginning to crush. Cut and slide off. Remove the slack. And you have your tie in there. This is how you, and you can come back and cut this with a pair of scissors. This is a plastic tape. It works good for cardboard boxes. For other things, you're going to want to use something like a fabric, which would be used a lot of times on your bundles of lumber and stuff like that. It's a lot stronger. It's an actual fabric. This stuff is fairly inexpensive. The real cost to this is, to be honest with you, the initial purchase. But after the initial purchase, you can use this for many, many projects. I can't tell you how much I've used it, but it's been a lot. And your package is now secure and it's ready to be shipped. As soon as I get a metal one, I'll show you that. Dysfunctional vat out.